Hi everyone, this is Danielle from A Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to see you guys here. Today I'm going to be doing a fitness slash meal plan slash kind of weight loss spread in my mini happy planner. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So today I'm going to be working in this guy right here. Now this is new. I found this on the Michaels website and my local one didn't have it, so I actually had to drive an hour to go grab this, but it was well worth it, let me tell you. So this is what the front cover looks like. This is their mini happy planner fitness planner. So the cover says take time for you, and this is completely undated, which is what I really liked about it. So I'm going to do a quick flip through of it, and then I will actually be setting this up in another video, but I figured I would get this spread out first, and then I will go back and kind of fill out the rest. So it comes with this little sticker sheet here. This just has like the months of the year that you can put on the undated tabs over here. This is the front page, who it belongs to. There is this progress page in the beginning, and then is your dashboard, and then you go straight into your monthly. I'm going to be starting this in February, so this planner will run February to February, and I will just put the months on the tabs over here. I am going to be setting up and kind of giving ideas on what I'm going to be using this monthly for, but I will do that in another video. So I'm going to jump straight into this. This is what the weekly spread looks like. So it is completely undated, which I love. This top box up here says today. I have a couple ideas of what I want to put in here. The next little set of boxes is priority. This kind of gridded area says food log, and then there's exercise at the very bottom. And then you have this dot grid sidebar that just says noted at the top. So completely blank, no dates on it. Do whatever you want with it. I'm very excited to set this up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my sheets out and we will get started. So previously I was going to be using an Erin Condren Petite Wellness Journal. However, I didn't like some of the format of it, and I kind of had to personalize it a little bit too much. And this mini happy planner is just going to be much more portable, much more sturdy, that I can just throw in my purse and take with me and kind of remember to pull out throughout the day. I wasn't super motivated to use the other one, so I'm hoping changing this up makes it so I am using it more. So with this planner, I have a few kind of things that I want to include on here. The food log will definitely be just for food. I will be tracking my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner on here. This priority area right here is going to be kind of more of a blank space. I want to use this for like when I'm on Saturdays when I weigh in, I'll put my scale over here. This is just going to be kind of a blank area where I can add things in as needed. And then this top space, the today, is actually going to be tracking kind of the individual things. So it's going to be tracking like how much water I'm drinking, the calories that I've ate for the day, things like that. And then obviously the bottom exercise will be for exercise. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a few stickers in. So I'm going to flip, let's see, what do I want to pull in? I think I want to add in a few stickers just to kind of give it a little bit of a facelift. So I'm going to pull in this Eat, Sleep, Run, Repeat sticker. It is on clear paper. And this guy's going to go right down here. Honestly, I'm probably not going to pull in very many stickers. I am just not, that's not what the purpose of this planner is going to be. So I'm going to pull in a few things just to kind of add a little bit of pizzazz to it. I think I'm going to pull in this one right here too. It says work your butt off. And this is actually going to go in the corner over here just to cover up that noted section. I'm not a huge fan of it, so why not just cover it up with a sticker? So I did actually change out this quote over here. I liked this one a little bit better. It says make healthy a habit, which is something that I really need to do. So in my sidebar as well, I'm also going to put this goal sticker. I really just, that's kind of something that I want to do. I really want to make setting a goal and achieving that goal a priority in this planner. So my goal this week is going to be to lose at least 1 pound. It is not always going to be a pound goal. It could be drink 72 ounces every single day this week or something like that. But I really want to make having a goal a priority in this planner. So I don't have any habit trackers that actually fit in this planner currently. So what I'm going to do is I have these H2O stickers at the bottom here in the mini fitness planner, or the mini fitness sticker book. So I'm actually going to, there are at least seven dots here. I'm actually going to chop these up and kind of make these into habit trackers. So I'll show you kind of how I do that. Alright, so if I take this guy right here, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there are 8 circles. So if I take a pair of scissors and I chop off one circle, and then I also chop off this little thing at the top that says H2O, then I can make this into a habit tracker for like the 7 days of the week. So then what I would do is I would just kind of put this, we'll put it right about there. I'm actually going to do 2 of them. So let me pull the other one and cut this one down. And then at the very top, I'll kind of put like what habit I want to track for the 7 days. And you can do this really with any checklist that you find, or any sticker that has like 7 areas that you can kind of check off. These water trackers just happen to work pretty darn well. So I'm going to put the other one next to it. And then what I'm going to do is take my pen and right above it, write what I'm going to be tracking. So this week, I think I want to track filling out my planner and working out every day. So I'm just going to put right above it the word workout. And you have to write a little bit smaller, but I'm fine with that. And then just an arrow. And then here is, I'm just going to write check planner to make sure that I'm filling it out every single day. And then I can just check it off when I need to do it every day. So it's kind of like a makeshift habit tracker in a way. And then right here at the bottom, I think the only other thing I'm going to do is add a quote. I really don't have anything else that I want to track, but I'm going to leave space just in case I think of something that I want to put in the sidebar. So I'm going to put this guy right at the bottom here and then kind of leave this little area here. Just for now, there might be something that I kind of think of later. So this week I'm actually going to do something a little different than I was planning. This is the same mini happy planner sticker book, the mini fitness one. I'm going to pull in these meal plan stickers instead of just kind of writing them out. This week I'm feeling the sticker vibe, so I'm going to add these on there, right in here. Let's see, where do I need to put this to make it? Maybe right there, right there. I'm not going to do this every week. This is just going to be too many stickers, I think, in this for me. But for this week, and maybe, you know, maybe every once in a while, it would be fun to put this many stickers, but probably not every week. Plus, I don't know, it's just a lot. And I'm not going to have this much time every single week to, you know, be able to lay down all these stickers. Some weeks I'm probably just going to take like a pen to it and just fill it out. But this week I have the time, so why not? And there are quite a few of those meal plan ones in here. But there's definitely not enough to do it every single week this way, which is fine. But for this week, I think it would be fun. Plus, it shows you guys kind of what stickers are in the sticker book, what you could use. Gives people some more ideas, maybe. Okay, so I got those laid down. I just put them all across there, and I will fill out my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner, which I do already have planned, actually. So I do have my workouts planned. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those out. So I do 45 minutes on the treadmill every single day. Well, not every single day. Monday through Thursday, typically. And what I'm actually going to do is there is in the sticker book, let me see if I can find the page. There are these little stickers, these little guys right here, that look like they're kind of like walking on a treadmill. I probably will pull these in. Maybe I'll just do it on 2 days just to kind of add it in there. So Monday and Wednesday we'll put these guys. I am trying to start incorporating lifting weights, like strength training. I've been doing cardio for a while, and I really just kind of want to add another dimension to my workouts. So when I do that, there are stickers in the sticker book for like what day it is. So if it's arm day or leg day or whatever day it is, then you can put that in there too. So Monday through Thursday is always at the gym because my girls are in school. And I go first thing in the morning. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is harder to get to the gym. It's not always a guarantee. However, I do want to try to get a good walk in. Fridays are typically pretty bad days. Sometimes we go swimming, sometimes we don't. I am going to plan on here that we're going to do family swim. So our gym opened back up. And swimming is not a great workout for me, but it's good enough. And then Saturday, typically we're working or doing something family-wise, so I usually don't work out on that day. And then Sunday, I want to get at least a 30-minute walk in. And it is snowy here in Michigan, so that 30-minute walk will actually burn a decent amount of calories because you're walking through snow. So then, right in this top box, I'm going to put where I track my steps, which I do every single day. I have an Apple Watch, which I love, and it tracks all that for me, and then I can just move the data over, but I try my best to keep it as high as I can because, I mean, honestly, there are some days that I don't do well, but the days I work out, I can definitely hit a decent amount of steps every single day. So going to track my steps. I'm also going to track my water and my calories. So water every day. And I'll put the amount of ounces and then calories. I am trying to stay under a certain amount every single day. I use the Lose It app on my phone, and it helps me track how many calories I have left for the day, how many calories are in certain items, and all that fun jazz. So then I have my water, my calories, my steps. In this priority area here is where I'm going to put some things that are more miscellaneous oriented. I'm going to pull in a scale sticker. I weigh in on Saturdays. So this guy is going to go over here so I can track how much I've lost. So also in here I'm going to be doing meal planning and meal prepping and grocery shopping. I'm actually going to pull from the household sticker book. This is the older one. I think there's a new one out. So meal planning usually happens on, we'll say Wednesday. Let's see if this guy fits in there. It does. It's like shiny silver foil, so it's a little bit harder to see, but that's okay. And then I'm also going to pull in this clear sticker one from here. I usually do my planning on Wednesday or Thursday, but then I don't go shopping until Sunday morning. But you know what? I think this week I'm going to end up doing it on Thursday, which is something a little bit different, but that's okay. It's kind of easier to go grocery shopping when my kids are at school, because then I don't have to worry about, you know, making sure my husband's home and have somebody watch the kids, or then I have to take them with me, which is even more annoying. So grocery shopping on Thursday, meal planning on Wednesday this week. Weigh in, I'm just going to write weigh in next to the sticker. I've been doing pretty good lately, so let's keep on that same track. of weighing in and doing well. So I went ahead and filled out my meal plan for the week. I have avocado toast for breakfast a lot because it's a favorite right now, and then I threw in some salads, some tuna sandwiches, cauliflower pizza for lunches, and then for dinners you got some shrimp and some burgers and some salmon, some chicken. So this is all planned out ahead of time, which helps me immensely. I am at the bottom actually going to end up journaling in this area. You know, journaling about how my day went, if I liked a certain meal, if I didn't like it, if I felt hungry that day, or if I was super full and I didn't eat all my calories. Just kind of a little brief overview of maybe something that went well or something that didn't go well. I'm going to go ahead and journal right here at the bottom. So this is what I'm going to leave it as. I'm just going to leave it with the water and calories at the top, this middle area for kind of anything that comes up that, you know, like meal planning, meal prepping, grocery shopping that I want to put on here so I know when I'm going to be doing it. My meals for the day next, then a journal spot, and then whatever I'm going to be exercising at the bottom. In the sidebar, I have my habit trackers and my goal for the week. This will look different every week. I'm not the type of person that wants it exactly the same every single time. So, you know, some weeks I won't have these meal plan stickers, and maybe I'll just put like a B, an L, and a D in there and use a mile liner and call it good. So this will look different every week. It helps it, so it makes it more interesting for me and I don't get bored with it. So I'm excited to start this. I'm excited to start this planner. We will see how this goes. I'm more excited about this than I was the previous fitness planner that I tried out. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys all like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that bell if you want to know when I upload videos and get notified. I have a few more videos in regards to this planner going live soon. So if you want to see more videos on kind of how I set this up, how I'm going to be using this, things like that, then definitely subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm going to be putting my meal plan in here as well. I'm going to kind of make this into a combo planner. I'm going to pull out the last 6 months and then add some pages for meal planning in here. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.